Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Complete home renovation. How it is to live in a complete crazy home renovation. Woo! What's up, everybody? Woo me today. That's right, woo me today. Why is that, Beast? Why is that? Because I've been working on this basement, this fixer-upper house, this home renovation, and I've been really busy. Busy, and I haven't even shaved. I haven't even taken the time to use my big hot tub. That's right, my big horse trough hot tub. But what have I been working on? Whoo! I'm ready to show you. I am ready to show you. So if I say, how's it going again while I'm editing this? Well, that's woo me today. Because my shoulders are sore. And I'm about to show you how I'm going to fix up this old basement center block walls that have been cracked, bowed. Terrible shape, alright? And then come back to this channel, this coming up, not this Saturday, but next Saturday. So you might just have to hit that subscribe button if you want to make sure you, and the notification key, so you can see what this basement's going to look like come next week. Woo! Or if you're already watching this, come next week or whenever. What's up, everybody? What's up? Hey, this is going to be my next big video that I'm going to be coming out with, alright? How to fix all your cracked basement block, center block walls, alright? After, of course, you like that close-up shot? After, of course, you got your pressure relief system working, or at least started or installed, alright? And this isn't for everybody, alright? So if you don't think you can handle this kind of project, hire a professional. Maybe I should. Woo! Anyhow, no. This is just a quick glimpse of the trailer. And I'm going to do a little bit of grinding in this video. I'm going to show you a little bit of my patchwork. And then come back in about, let's give it a week. And then I'm going to show you my final product. Woo! Alright, let's get busy. Let's get busy. Let's make some noise for a couple minutes. But make sure you wear a mask. And if you have a face shield, I'd recommend a face shield or some safety glasses with protections. And never go too deep. Only as deep as she likes it. I didn't really say that. Thank you everybody for watching this crazy little glimpse of a starter on how this basement's going to start looking. I am going to be, since this is a very new channel, just bear with me. I'm going to be fixing all the videos that are already out there and trying to get them a little bit more organized, edited a lot better. So going forward, I'm going to be doing a lot more work on my editing and my videoing, so that way I can keep you entertained and also maybe give you some pointers and everything else. And when I do my complete video, every Saturday I'm going to come out with a video for you all. And right now I am working on all this block interior walls in this basement. They were bowed, cracked, big gaps. The bottoms were shearing out. Okay, I'm going to show you down here real quick what I'm talking about shearing, where they're coming off of the block. So I'm going to be having to fix all that, and you can see I had all kinds of water damage. Take a gander at the videos that I have right now on this basement. They are going to be a lot better. I'm going to be editing them and fixing everything going forward, but it's going to take me some time because I'm a one-man shop and I'm going to be doing everything this myself. But when I go to make this official video on how to fix these block walls, this is how I'm doing it. Alright, so it's just advice. Do it the way you like to do it. That's how I do it. Do it the way I like to do it. Do it the way you like to do it, right? And then I will also give you a couple little tutorial videos on what I've been using, and mortar mix and quickcrete and whatever material I use, and where I get it, okay? And you want a little sneak peek? You want a little sneak peek of what it's going to look like? Alright, what you just got done watching was my work from today, and oh my gosh. Look at the hands, they're waving to you. Woo, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the crazy Minnesota Beast home renovation project. Sorry, I'm going to flip you around. I got all that patched right now. I'm letting it dry just because it's the evening. I am tired, or I would skim coat it right now, but I'm going to let that set up and dry. And it's patched right now for the most part, looking pretty good. But I am going to reveal just a little bit of what this wall will look like in a way. Ready? You ready? I'm going to turn you around. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. That is just, I did a little test run yesterday, and I just wanted to see what it was going to look like. Now, of course, I haven't cut it in my corners yet. This is just one side of the corner, and of course the side I was working on today. And I'm going to cut this corner in, and then of course I've stayed off the bottoms of my new footings I'm pouring and letting those still set up and dry, but I got to do a lot of work on that bottom. Okay, so yeah, but this is what we're talking about. Look at this. This is how we bought it. Alright, we got a lot of work ahead. A lot of work ahead. So make sure you subscribe if you like to, because I have lots and lots of projects. We're talking probably another 4 years of projects every Saturday I'm going to upload, from this basement to plumbing to landscaping to building a deck, an addition, bathrooms, kitchens, everything. This complete demo house. So I started on the basement, and then I got to work up. Woo! While I live here too. But you know what? I gotta get off here. I want to go fill up my bathtub. Beast out of here. Have yourselves, and everybody has yourselves, a great day, evening, whenever you're watching this. And thanks again for watching.